Hi guys, okay, so I'm just going to be showing you how I installed this wig from Hairvivi. It comes pre-plucked and yeah, like it's basically ready for you to just pop the wig on and go. Like even the construction of the wig, it has that fake scalp thing, it has that inside already. It comes with an elastic band inside the wig already. It has their logo on it as well, as you guys can see. And what I like about the elastic band is that it's got adjustable straps. It's got that so you can adjust the straps as well. It comes with combs inside, but I'm gonna end up taking out the combs because I never wear wigs with combs, but just because it hurts my scalp. So you know, yeah, like, and this is the body wave hair texture. The hair definitely has a strong smell to it, so I'll recommend you wash this hair before you install the hair. But yeah, my first impression of the hair is that the hair feels really soft, and you can see how bouncy this hair is like. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I install this wig on my head. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've got the wig on my head now, and I just love like the customization. Like I don't need to do anything to this wig, it's ready. Like I just need to cut the lace and then I'll be good. Okay, so I'm just gonna brush out the hair. The only thing about this wig is that I really feel like it's not thick enough, like the density. I wish the wig was just a bit fuller. So because it's not that full, I'm probably gonna end up putting this hair up in a ponytail just because the wig is not that full, it's quite thin. So that's the only thing I don't like about this wig. Guys, this wig is amazing. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna cut off the lace using my eyebrow blade.
I can tell the way you date, I mean you want it now. Champagne dripping on his wristwatch, partition roll low, cause the drivers want to watch. I'm on day break night, chilling in my cup. But he want to lick up, drinking all the liquor, baby. Paint dripping on his wristwatch, partition roll low, cause the drivers want to watch. I'm on day break night, chilling.
Now I'm just gonna use my hot comb to just like sort out the parting space. Okay, cool. So guys, I've sorted out the parting now, and I really like the parting space that comes with this wig. And even look at the lace as well, like it just looks really natural. Can I just say, yeah, this wig feels really secure on my head, by the way, and I haven't done anything. Like there's no elastic band on this wig right now, and it's not glued down, and it feels like really secure on my head. Yeah, just because I'm going to bed and I'm not really going anywhere, I'm just going to show you like a simple hairstyle you can do with this wig. So I'm just going to take out some hair on the side and then put the rest behind my ears. And now I'm just going to grab my hair mousse. This is the VO5 hair mousse. It's actually meant for curly hair, but I'm just going to use it on this hair. And now I'm going to take my hairband. Okay, so guys, I've slicked my hair back now. I'm going to turn around so you can see. I've just kept it very simple, and yeah.
Dream some more. Dreaming, girl. I'll ride for you. I'll never, baby. Give it all to you. Give it all to me. All to you. It's your body too hot. Can I get the touch? It's your body too hot. Can I get a touch?
Okay, so I'm done styling my hair now. I've literally just added hair mousse onto my hair just to keep it in place, and I feel like this is a quick hairstyle. Like if you're in a rush trying to get to work, or even when you just want to look cute but you don't want to do too much at the same time, this hairstyle is super cute. Like I haven't done much, I've just literally put the hair in a ponytail at the back. So when it comes to my overall thoughts on this wig, I love the construction of the wig. I would definitely recommend this wig if you're like a beginner, or like even if you're just a mom, or like just a busy person, or and you don't have time to be sitting down to glue your wig down. I would recommend this wig company just because like everything is done for you. Like it comes pre-bleached, it comes pre-plucked. Guys, look at this parting space that comes with the wig as well. Like it just looks really natural. Like I haven't glued this down. So and there's no elastic band on the wig as well because I had to take it out. Yeah, like I really like this wig company. I like this wig. I can see this wig being my everyday go-to wig because it's just very easy to install. Like, so yeah, I'm gonna make sure to leave all the links that you guys need to know down below, so please make sure you check the description box for everything you need to know, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.